25 life cheat codes to shine bright in 2023. Life is a journey and you are the explorer. You can live the life you want, or you can spend the rest of your life meeting the expectation of others. But as you grow old, you'll realize that a fulfilling life has nothing to do with money or what others think about you. It's more about your inner satisfaction. It's less about regrets and more about gratitude. Here are a few rules you can follow to live a life full of peace and tranquility. I have been using every one of them for quite some time, and they are doing miracles in my life. Number 1. Use workouts to gain muscle, diet to burn fat, and cardio to improve your overall health and longevity. Number 2. Upon waking, drink water before coffee. Number 3. Delay coffee for 1 or 2 hours upon waking. This lets cortisol clear out adenosine, which can lead to sustained energy into the afternoon. Number 4. Mouth breathing disrupts sleep, ruins oral health, and can cause sleep apnea. Mouth taping at night helped me solve this. Number 5. Sleep at the same time every day. Align your body with the rising and setting of the sun. Number 6. The 3-2-1 method for better sleep. No eating 3 hours before bed. No liquids 2 hours before. No screens 1 hour before. Number 7. If you look at screens at night, wear blue light blockers. Number 8. Memory is fallible. When you have a good idea, write it down immediately. Number 9. Your best ideas come in the shower, walking, or in the gym. Keep a notepad ready. Number 10. The more you criticize others, the more you criticize yourself. If you want to judge yourself less, judge others less. Number 11. Stay away from people who always complain. They are energy vampires. Number 12. Stay away from people who gossip. They are most likely gossiping about you. Number 13. Learn a martial art to increase discipline, confidence, and release stress. 14. You can tell a lot about someone's character by how they treat service staff. Number 15. Money and alcohol amplify who a person is at their core. Number 16. When someone shows you their true colors, believe them. 17. Who you choose as a partner will determine your level of peace, wealth, and happiness. Number 18. Your perception is the reality. If you want a better reality, change your perception. 19. You'll never be as young as you are now. Do what you feel you are meant to do. 20. Your best decisions come from stillness. Stillness is amplified in nature and meditation. 21. You can only get stronger when you face problems in life. Embrace the fucking struggle. Number 22. No one cares. Work harder. Number 23. Trust people who say I don't know more than the people who have all the answers. Number 24. Keep a small circle. It's better to go narrow and deep than wide and shallow. Number 25. True wealth is about being physically and financially healthy while living in a household full of love.
Never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long.